Namaste, viewers. Welcome to Sunshine English Medium School online classes. So, I welcome all my Sunshine English Medium School families, all online viewers, and my dear student. I am teaching you the English tenses. So, let us begin our classes. So before we begin our English tense class, so student, we are going to put the English words in our English word bank. So today we will learn 5 different words. That is, let's begin with will. W-I-L-L, will. will अर्थ ब बा बी बु. आमे will टाकू आई सहित ही सी इट बा कौनसी ना यू वी दे सहित आमे व्यवहार करिथाउ. एग्जांपल, आई विल प्ले, मु खेलिबी. ही विल बी प्लेइंग, से खेलुथिबो. सी विल हैव प्लेड, से खेलिथिबो. तो यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट, W-I-L-L, will ro meaning. Then next word will go to can. can रो अर्थ पारिबा. एडा एबिलिटी को दर्शाउछि. एबिलिटी शक्ति बा क्षमता. आउ एग्जांपल, आई कैन डू दिस, मु एहा करि पारिबी. आई कैन डू दिस, मु एहा करि पारिबी. Then let me tell different word. may, M-A-Y, may. देखो आर अर्थ मध्य पारिबा. तो मु दुईटा वर्ड रो डिफरेंट यूज टा मु कहूची. कैनटा एबिलिटी आ मेटा परमिशन बा पॉसिबिलिटी, अनुमति बा संभावना केस रे एटा यूज हे थाए. एग्जांपल, मे आई हेल्प यू, मु तुमर सहाय्य करि पारिबी. तो कैनटा शक्ति क्षमता एबिलिटी को रे आमे यूज करि थाउ. मेटा अनुमति बा कोनोसी संभावना, परमिशन बा और पॉसिबिलिटी. सो दे द मीनिंग इज सेम but uses are different. So this is the word can and may, and we can use with all like I, with I, you, we, they, he, she, all, with all subject. Then could, C-O-U-L-D, could. could रो अर्थ मध्य पारिबा. आमे एडा होची कैन रो पास्ट टेंस. सेम मीनिंग एबिलिटी को दर्शाउछि, शक्ति को दर्शाउछि. जैसे कि हिंदी में पास्ट में कुछ एबिलिटी कर सकते हैं, सका या सकी, करिथिबी, करिथिबा, एगुडा को. किंतु एटा मध्य यूजेस आमे आई, यू, ही, सी, इट, एनी नेम, with every subject we can use could. I could not do it, मु या कर नथिबी. I could swim well when I was 8 years old. तो एटा होची could, C-O-U-L-D. देखो could बोली की प्रोनाउंसिएशन करिवो नै. एटा L टा साइलेंट रोची माय डियर स्टूडेंट. आर प्रोनाउंसिएशन could हेबो. तापर नेक्स्ट today's last word is HAV, have. have माने अछि बा पाखरे अछि. आर यूजेस केवल आई, यू, वी, दे सहित ही हेबो. ही, सी, इट सहित हेबोनी. तो एग्जांपल, आई हैव ए बॉल, मोर गोटे बॉल अछि, मो पाखरे गोटे बॉल अछि. तो student, you have understood these 5 words. So I hope you are learning every day these words and keep it in your English word bank. It will be very useful for you. So student, let us begin our classes, that is tense. So in my previous class I have taught you present simple tense. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. So student, in present continuous tense I have taught you the three different sentence, that affirmative sentence and negative sentence and question. In affirmative sentence, I am playing, ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଅଛି. In present simple, I play, ମୁଁ ଖେଳେ. But here auxiliary verb am is used. Look here, am is used. So I am playing, play the ing form is used here. So I am playing, you are playing, he is playing. देखो ये auxiliary verbs am. We are learning affirmative sentence. In present simple, I play. Here in continuous sentence, I am playing, you are playing, he is playing. ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଅଛି, ତମେ ଖେଳୁଅଛ, ସେ ଖେଳୁଅଛି. Here I ସହିତ am, you ସହିତ are, he ସହିତ is, we ସହିତ ମଧ୍ୟ are, plural ରେ are ଲାଗିବ, third person singular ରେ he she it ରେ is ଲାଗିବ. Then let us go to negative sentence. I am not playing, you are not playing, or I am not playing, or I am not playing, you are not playing, or you aren't playing, he is not playing, or he isn't playing. ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁ ନାହିଁ, ତମେ ଖେଳୁ ନାହଁ, ସେ ଖେଳୁ ନାହିଁ. देखो in this negative sentence we learn the not is used after auxiliary verb. Then let's go to question. Are you playing? Is he playing? ତମେ ଖେଳୁଅଛ କି, ସେ ଖେଳୁଅଛି କି, ବା I am playing को क्वेश्चन कले am I playing, ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁଅଛି କି. तो student, you have learned this and it is very easy to change into continuous form. Let us see the uses. So the present continuous tense is used. The first point is, if we want to say that something is happening at the time of speaking, we often use it with time expressions such as now or at the moment. So here you see, I am playing at the moment, you aren't playing with me now. See here, moment, now. Look at him, what is he doing? See how expression is here, such a in that moment. So here we use the present continuous form. The next uses is for temporary activities that are true now but may be not happening at the time of speaking. So time expressions such as today, this week, or these days are typical of this use. Look here in this sentence, I am in Bhubaneswar, I am playing cricket here. देखो, so she can play today. She is preparing for an exam. Why she can play today? Because she is preparing for an exam. So I am playing cricket here. Where? I am in Bhubaneswar. So here the time expressions such as today, this week, or these days are typical of this use. The next use, student, let's see, for planned future arrangements. So the time of action must be given in the sentence, like soon, tomorrow, on Monday, next week. Otherwise it is not clear that we talk about future. See, I am playing soon. Soon is mentioned here. It is a planned future arrangement. We are playing on Monday. She is playing next week. So student, it is the time of action is given here and it is a planned future arrangement. The next user, student, with always to express the idea that something happens too often and it annoys the speaker. Example, I'm always forgetting my bet. See, he is always playing in the street. So these are the students, you have learned the different uses of present continuous tense. I hope you all are learning online. If any doubt, you can ask question, you comment in comment box, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.